In this video, I'll show you how to tag people on a LinkedIn post. If you want to mention someone in a LinkedIn post, the good news is that LinkedIn makes it very simple. When you create a post, just type the @ symbol and then start typing the person's name. LinkedIn says a type ahead list will appear, and you can tap or click the correct person from that list to add the mention to your post. On desktop, go to your LinkedIn homepage and click Start a Post, then write your message. When you reach the spot where you want to tag someone, type @ and begin entering their name. As LinkedIn suggests matching profiles, select the right person from the drop-down, then continue writing your post and click Post when you're ready. If you're using the LinkedIn mobile app, the steps are almost the same. Tap Post in the navigation bar. Start typing your message, then use the @ symbol on your keyboard and enter the person's name. LinkedIn will show suggestions there too, and once you tap the correct name, the mention is added to your post. After that, finish your caption and publish it. Here's something important to know. LinkedIn says you do not have to be connected to someone in order to mention them or be mentioned by them. But LinkedIn also says it may limit your ability to mention members you are not connected with. So if a person does not appear in the suggestions, that can be one reason. Another useful detail is that the person you mention can receive a notification about it. LinkedIn says that after you select someone from the list and finish your post, that member can get an app notification and an email notification unless their settings prevent that. If you try to tag someone and it does not work, there are a few common reasons. First, LinkedIn says some members turn off the setting that allows other people to mention or tag them. When that setting is off, they cannot be mentioned in new posts, comments, or photos. Second, if the post visibility is not public, LinkedIn says mentions for people outside that selected audience can be removed. You should also know that LinkedIn lets people control this from their settings. In Settings and Privacy, under Visibility, there is a setting called Mentioned by Others, and users can turn Allow Mentions on or off. That means even if you type the name correctly, tagging may still fail because of the other person's privacy settings. One more practical tip. If the person has a very common name, and LinkedIn recommends typing their company along with their name to help narrow down the suggestions. That makes it easier to find the right profile from the list. So again, to tag people on a LinkedIn post, open the post editor, type @ followed by their name, select the correct profile from the suggestion list, and then publish your post. If it does not work, check whether the member allows mentions and whether your post visibility is limiting the tag. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.